years ago, what I know is that over $75 million was spent on Ghana at 50. We're in this country. Under Nana Akufo-Addo's presidency, 10 years on, $4 million. So strike the difference and strike the balance. We just have to be focused on what we're doing. We have a mandate to be modest, but also very elegant. 7th of January, swearing in of the president. I'm sure that the people of this country, and I'm told even from you, that one of the wonderful things that happened in this country, very elegant, the amount of money spent on that program was less what was spent 4 years ago, 2012. We are not making noise about these things. So enough of the politics, and let's roll on. The lineup of activities you see here, the first phase at least, is already something that, as a nation, when I checked the 59th anniversary celebration budget of the March Past alone at the Independence Square, it was close to 4 million Ghana cedis. And the records are there. And that's only for the March Past, with service institutions and all that. So yes, change has come, and certainly we would be modest.
Comparison, probably unnecessary comparisons. So if $20 million you're spending 58, so does it warrant spending money? We are talking about celebration, but you should not put up this posture as if we don't have a right to comment about 20 million. So what?
Comments in the ultimate comment.
Ghana assisted, you said 20 million Ghana. So what? Tell us what you are going to do. We don't need that posturing.
Independence.
In any case, you're to Abama, not to come and lord it over us, but to rather listen to the cries of yes, he cannot be.
Now,
over themselves. Enough of the politics. When the MPP was in opposition, what they did to the MPP at the NDC, if they are doing same and Ghanaians are criticizing, like, only come and give us a split. Don't come and lord it as you say. They need our coin. But what is the game? It's a let's do genuineness in terms of critique. But he should not come and lord it over us. As if say, $20 million. Oh, please. These politicians should not come and do this. Maybe I do know. They should stop this as if so being power. That is all. You are the alpha and omega. It's too much. Nanam or bother about free SHS.
Yeah.
So put up attitude an attitude that reflects leader as the president. Don't come and behave as if say criticize. He says no. Politicians in particular, Ghana politicians, NDC, anytime 4 years, you see the behavior of the politicians. What is that?
Why not can I say?
Oh, it's too much.
Why do you
we have to get out of this. It's too much. Whoever spoke, the operations manager at that place. Oh, it's too much. I don't see why MPP somebody spent 20 whatever million. MPP person please. You are spending money. It's ready for criticism. As if when you say it, nobody should even attempt to, because some years back this was a situation. And so what?
Comparison, I think it's about time I see it. Now you focus on your